Hey my dear learners, it's been a while. Welcome to another English class with me, Teacher Shira. For today's lesson, we are going to learn about making connections. Before we begin our lesson for today, don't forget to subscribe on my channel. Ring the notification bell for more updates. Like, share, and comment in this video. Because learning is bliss, learn with Teacher Shira. Making connections is a skill in reading or viewing that links what the learners read or view to what they already know or experienced. This helps the readers in comprehending text, passages, videos, pictures read or viewed by activating prior knowledge and making meaning out of it. At the end of this lesson, you are expected to determine images, ideas that are explicitly used to influence viewers' point of view, and to make connections between information read or viewed and personal experiences. Have you experienced reading or viewing something and then afterwards you somehow relate your own experiences or the things that you have encountered before to what you read or watch? If so, then you are making connections. You see, as you read, you may relate it to your own life experience, to the book that you have read before, and even to the happenings in the world. Making connection is a strategy that can assist you in making meaning from a text. You can make connections using three ways. First is text to text, second, text to self, and the third one is text to world. Let us discuss each one by one. First, we have here text-to-text connection. Text-to-text shows connection between text, obviously. This happens when readers are reminded of other things that they have read, other books of the same author, or stories of similar genre, or perhaps the same topic. In this type of connection, readers gain insight during reading by thinking about how the information they are reading connects to other familiar text. For example, you may find a story or a plot of a book that you read before similar to the one that you are reading at the moment. Or you may find the circumstances faced by the characters similar to the circumstances faced by the character in the book that you are currently reading. It is also applicable on movies or anything that you have watched before. The second one is what we call text-to-self connection. These are highly personal connections wherein the reader relates his or her personal experiences to the story read or watched. For example, you may be reading or you may have watched Diary of a Wimpy Kid, and as you do, you are reminded of your own childhood experiences. Lastly, we have here what we call text-to-world connection. These connections are larger connections or broad connections that a reader brings to a reading situation. We all have our ideas about how the world works that goes far beyond our own personal experiences. We learn this through television, movies, magazines, and even in the newspapers. Often, it is the text-to-world connections that teachers are trying to enhance when they teach lessons in science, social studies, and literature. Remember that the aim of text-to-world connection is to relate what you have read or what you have watched to the current scenario that is happening around the world. Now, it's time for a summary for the quick lesson that we had. Making connection is a strategy that can assist you in making meaning from a text. There are three ways on how to make connections. These are text-to-text, text-to-self, and text-to-world. Text-to-text are connection between text, text-to-self are personal connections, and text-to-world are the larger or broad connections. That would be all for today, my dear learners. I hope you have learned something. Thank you and God bless.